What's up? It's Andrew here. Right behind me is a new Ryobi lawnmower. My old one stopped working right here, and it really just halted the ability for me to mow the rest of my lawn. So I did what any good person would do and go online and complain about it on social media. Luckily, the good people at Ryobi reached out and contacted me right away, and were able to ship me out a new one to replace the old one. I'm gonna unbox this thing later and hopefully be able to use it this weekend. So here we go. So quick change of plans. Saturday morning, but I am not mowing my lawn right away. We're actually meeting some friends at a local coffee shop, a little market that just opened here in Charlotte. So I will be going there first, having some breakfast, and then going to have some fun with my new lawnmower. So see you then. All right, now I'm back, and the moment that I've been waiting for, I'm gonna unbox this thing. So let's get to it. All right, so I have to be careful unboxing this because I actually am reusing the box to return the other lawnmower, so I'm not gonna be able to tear through this one. So I'm being very careful with the knife to unpack everything to make sure that. Well, one bad thing about filming on an iPhone is that you're using an iPhone, which means that you can't see what's actually happening on the screen. So because of that, my phone actually hit its storage limit, so my whole unboxing didn't save. So anyways, it's the exact same thing. It came in this box. All the stuff came in it. I unpacked it to see this guy. You can see right now that if I go through all the steps, that it works, and dare I say, works very well. Now I'm gonna go and actually finish the job that I didn't get to finish last week and mow the rest of my lawn. Alright, so there it is. Lawnmower, if you're expecting like a full review, I don't have it. The lawnmower works as it's supposed to. It's a lawnmower. It's electric powered. It's by Ryobi. I'm very thankful that they were able to send me a new one so that I could mow my lawn. But it works great. It turns on. It doesn't turn off. That was the problem before. So now I'm just gonna store it in my shed. And yeah, probably have to use it again in like next week. So, see ya.